Coming soon to TBN, join me, Dave Stotts from Thru History, as we remember September 11th in America. I start in New York City, where the events of 9/11 began, with the attacks on the Twin Towers of the World Trade Center. I visit the incredible 9/11 Memorial and Museum to unpack the tragedy and heroism of that terrible morning. I then travel to Virginia to investigate the attack on the Pentagon and its ongoing impact on our nation's security. And then it's off to Pennsylvania to visit the inspirational Flight 93 Memorial, where 40 heroes fought back against terrorism, preventing even further loss of life. I end back on the Hudson River, marveling at the rebuilt Manhattan skyline, which reminds us to never, ever forget. 9/11 on TBN. It's a special event that you don't want to miss.